Hello? What's his name or her name?
BG.
Who?
BG.
BG, like the band? BG, hi. I got you in my sights. Hello? I like how he laughs.
Hello? He's a little ham.
What else you got there in your little kit bag? How much does a bird like that cost? Oh my goodness.
Between the bird and the cage and the equipment and everything, about $3,000.
Well, that's a lot, but not out of the question.
Well,
What a wonderful thing.
they live 70 or 80 years. I mean, if you factor it in the people that buy purebred dogs, you know.
Oh, it's a bargain for the years they live.
Yeah. Unless I eat him. It'll be an expensive lunch.
When it's all over, it's chow time.
Right.